What's going on, guys? We just got here to the market. The market just opened, and I'm waiting for a short. I'm waiting for a short here. Sorry, I'm kind of rushing. At 39.
Order submitted.
So there's a nice short here. You can see on the hourly. Gorgeous setup. There's a few shorts right at the open, but I didn't want to take it this low down here. I also didn't want to take it right here, this low. So I like to wait for hourly levels. This is the first hourly, level
Order
that
filled.
was in the way. So I decided to put my order here. And if we just do what we've been doing for the past couple weeks, we'll just rip through this and I'll get stopped out. But if we have a pullback, we could pull all the way back to 95. But this was a really, really good rip at the open. I'm not going to lie, that was a quick 40-ish points. Excuse me. That I missed out on. Man, I've been so tired the last couple days. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I just don't give myself enough time to wake up in the morning, but here we are. I've been at the market for a couple minutes now. I just decided to start recording now. So price action's telling me we might continue higher. We'll have to see where this candle closes. I could have waited for confirmation, but it's a really good setup. So I could look. I'm looking for like 15, 20 points max. We could just rip through, right? Oh, the nice rejection there. Nice. Let's put it on order here.
Order submitted.
So this high right here, if we just flash down into that, I'd love to take that. Let's look at, I should have been looking at SPX. 10 points out of this trade right now. Not too interested in that. Well, SPX is taking the freak off, apparently. Yeah, ES is still ripping. That's not enough. Excuse me, 10 points is not enough for this trade. Maybe I'm wrong here, but we still have room to go a little bit lower on SPX. And if we get under this volume, we could give up this whole move. I'm not sure I totally believe that's what's going to happen, but this is the setup. I got to take the setup, and I don't want to take it off for 10 points when I'm risking 15. It's as simple as that. So this candle confirmed the short when it closed. So now this candle would technically be a really good short once it comes back up to the actual price again. But will we actually get it? That's the question. I don't know. Nice dump. I need more than that though. 19, 5 more points? Or was that it? Look at that. Look at it. Look at it just rip. Take everyone out. So that was the entry. If you're waiting for confirmation, that was the entry right there. Kind of like I was just walking through. Candle closed under the setup. Popped back into it. It's a good short. But we already had this lower price action. So maybe that was the flush before we actually just take off. and we rip all the shorts a new one. Maybe I should be moving my stop to accommodate for that. But I find more often than not when I move my stop, it sort of gets hunted. Is this an uptrend? Am I fighting the trend? Not really. I wouldn't call this an uptrend. It's consolidation. And I'm shorting one of the best setups towards the top of the range. And you long the setups towards the bottom of the range. This would have been a great long right here. Great setup too, and it moved 30 points off of that pre-market. I feel pretty good about this setup. I'm not going to add right now. We could form a reversal setup on the 5-minute to be in line with the hourly, but as of now, it looks like it's not going to work. Was I supposed to take it off there? Like there's no reason for it to stop there. Right in this area? No. How much longer till this candle closes? A minute and a half. We could still easily close under that. Reversal setup on the 5-minute. Boom. Take us all the way back down to here. What's ES doing? Nothing. YM, nothing. Great long setup at the open. Missed that. See, if I had to move my stop in profit or break even or even tighter of a loss, I would have gotten stopped out there and maybe this trade will still work. And this would have been super triggering. Not like necessarily super triggering, but triggering enough where I'd be like, oh, I should not have moved my stop. $20 seconds left in this candle. Maybe it looks like we're going to have a long setup. If we close above this candle high, it's a long. And the morning trend, I guess, is up. Yep, that's a long right there, but oh, am I supposed to long it up there again and then watch it work? Like I guess it has every single other day, but okay, so it hit it.
Order
And,
canceled.
yeah, it made a new high. This is just not my time. I'll long it. I just wanted to... Man, 20 points off of that now? A setup's a setup. That's for dang sure. YM's got a short. I want to jump into it, but like that's also not a good idea, is it? $63 is the what am I supposed to do? Short that? No. Where's the short setup in here even? 85? Am I supposed to just blindly short this? Just because I want to try to make that money back? That'd be stupid. Top of the range. Could be a good trade. I should let a candle close, though. I shouldn't just blindly short it. So, let's see. Let's let 3 minutes go by. 3 long minutes. I've already gotten stopped out once. What did I say, 83 or 85? It could just break and keep going, though. That looks super bullish. Cup and handle, kind of like a flag. It broke down overnight, immediately got bought up. This could just take the freak off again. Weekly. Man, what if we actually rip to the highs? How gross would that be on this move if we actually took off to the highs? There's room to do it. The monthly just does not give an F. Wow. We'll do what Bitcoin did. We'll come up, we'll touch it, make a new high briefly, and then come back down all the way and fail all the way into like 2026. Who knows, bro? Who knows? The current macroeconomics, geopolitics, all that stuff is looking terrible. It's looking like the market should be down, but it just isn't. It's ripping all of these shorts. And that's just what it does. Economy's in shit shape. Inflation is in shit shape. But they're kicking the can down the road. They're doing that effectively, at least. $20 seconds. I'll take it short one more time. Well, there's no long. There's definitely no long here.
Order submitted.
I can't. Why doesn't the clock work? Hello? Well, anyways. Ooh, did we touch? No. Give me a little more.
Order
There
filled.
we go. So I got filled. Move the order down 2 points. Maybe it'll just rip me a new one again. Stop me out again. Top of the range short. The best short setup we've got in this range. It's top of the range. But I would not be surprised if we just broke highs, spent some time up there, maybe failed it, retested it, and then failed. Maybe we don't get that fail quite yet. Yeah, this is gonna
Stop
break.
filled.
Yeah. Man, that's triggering. All you had to do was go long, eh? That's it. 2 days in a row now I did the same thing. I wouldn't say I fought the trend today. Like, sure, this was an uptrend, but like, there were good short setups in the middle of consolidation, so. Well, we've broken highs on NQ. F me, I guess. ES is taken off. YM, that would have not been a good short setup anyways. Maybe, no, those were good setups. I mean, they just didn't work. Maybe I should have realized we hit a nice long on NQ and we were gonna like push highs, but like, I don't know, man. Now the clock just doesn't work. I can't click on it. That's so cool. Is it a sign that I should just chill? What, am I now supposed to long it up here? And then this is the one where the setup doesn't work? Like, my head's a little zonked now, and I don't really want to be down $900 if it doesn't work. Is that it? I mean, I'm going to the Tradeovate, the BLUSKY account tomorrow anyways, so I'll probably, I don't know if I'll just be done with this account or I'll use it as a swing trade account, but like I don't even qualify for a withdrawal at this point because of the frickin' rules. One minute left. I guess I can use this as a clock. 9:49 in 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 12 seconds. Yeah. I don't know. If we get a short, I'll take it. Excuse me, I'll take it. If we get a long, I'll take it as well. Tighter stop, 2 contracts. Same risk.
Order submitted. Order filled.
There it is. Tighter stop. It's gonna stop me out anyways.
Stop filled.
Ugh. No, it's thinking about it. Alright, I'm gonna stop clicking. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll be on Tradeovate. We'll be on the funded frickin' BLUSKY account. So I'm not too worried about this. And there it fails anyways without me. Just my stop was too tight. I only had 1 contract actually, not 2. So that's good. Only lost $100 in that trade. Systematic trade. It's just I'm clearly not feeling it today. So I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.